Is it the right time to make a decision on NIO stock? Let's dive deep into NIO and provide you with a more detailed analysis, building upon our initial report published on our website on Friday, November 24, 2023. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. Crucial updates that could impact your investments should not be missed. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 24, 2023, our system has ranked NIO as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite experiencing some natural fluctuations, the stock is currently at a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -32.03% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -37.90% to -29.54%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted -12.88% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -25.51% to 73.90%. This means that the stock price could range from $5.51 to $12.87 after 1 year. Our latest update on NIO's stock price reveals a stronger technical forecast after Friday's trading session. On the last day, which was Friday, November 24, 2023, the NIO stock price experienced a decline of 0.94%, dropping from $7.47 to $7.40. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $7.28 and a high of $7.48, representing a 2.75% variation. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 7 occasions, resulting in a total decline of 0.94%. Notably, the volume of shares traded increased by 2 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, a total of 23 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $167.40 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price observed was $16.18, while the lowest price recorded was $7. Currently, the stock price stands at $8.78, which is 54.26% below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 88.95% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on January 11, 2021, reaching $66.99. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup rated NIO as a buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory rated NIO as neutral with a downgrade action. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have given NIO stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying NIO stock based on the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for NIO, a popular stock in the market. Let's start with the positive news. On Monday, November 13, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 2.49%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD), which further strengthens the positive outlook. However, we also have some negative signals to consider. These signals may have some influence on the near short-term development of the stock. Both short and long-term moving averages for NIO are showing sell signals, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $7.56 and $7.85. However, if the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and suggests that the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, it gave a buy signal 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 45 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about NIO support, risk, and stop loss levels. NIO currently finds support from accumulated volume at $7.30. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as historically we've seen an upwards reaction when this support is being tested. It's important to note that NIO has average movements during the day, indicating a medium level of risk. In the past day, the stock had a range of $0.200 between its high and low, which accounts for 2.75% of its value. Looking at the last week, we've observed a daily average volatility of 3.75%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for NIO, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for NIO in Q3 2023 is scheduled for Dec 05/2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.430. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for NIO. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $7.58. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those of you who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $7.30. If this support level holds, it could provide a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $7.06, representing a decrease of 4.66%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 8 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? While NIO holds several negative signals that may suggest selling, there is also a chance for a turnaround situation. Therefore, it can be considered as a hold candidate or for accumulation in this position while awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 27th, we expect NIO to open down $0.0133 and start trading at $7.39. Before we dive into the content, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions and accept any associated liabilities. Welcome to StockInvest, where we provide you with a current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Let's engage in a discussion. Also, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading journey, and may you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.